Hi guys, how you doing? So today we've got the iPhone 11, my new iPhone, and we're going to unbox that. We've also got the Dji Osmo 3 and its tripod there as well. We'll go through that as well. So yeah, basically let's unwrap this. So the one I got at the moment is the iPhone 7. So this is much better because you've got dual cameras on the back. Dual cameras there, which is really good. It's got a front-facing camera as well, which is really powerful, so that's excellent. So it's just going to pop that down there. Next thing is we have this here, which is this camera is going to be fitting into the cradle here. So it just flicks up, that goes like that. I use push and hold. That is it. So basically that is now turned on. Put your phone into the cradle here. Everything's just perfect, and you can end up making hyperlapse videos in a car, something like this. So here you have the zoom, so it's zoom in, zoom out. You have the toggle here as well, which actually moves the gimbal around to help you focus. This button here is the power on button. It's also the option button. So basically you just push that and you can select anything between photos, videos, time-lapse, hyperlapse, dyna zoom in and out, which is very, very clever, and story mode, which is amazing as well. So also you have the trigger button on the back here, and that's obviously to activate your camera and also to take photos. So you just literally push that, and then once you've linked this to this with Bluetooth, it is good to go. So one charge with this thing as well, basically it just takes the standard USB into here. One charge, it gives you hours of fun with this thing, and it is brilliant. So this all revolves, all of this I could buy for under £100, like quite a bit under £100, which is just phenomenal considering what you get. And that screws into the bottom. So then basically you have a little tripod here. It can mount, it can sit on anything you want. It's very safe. This is a really easy, bag friendly little device, and it can literally fit into your day bag.